Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial for Angel by McLachlan on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E. We're going to be playing this song in the key of D major, which is the same key that McLachlan plays this song live. We'll be using basic chords through most of it. We'll start with a D chord for the intro, and we'll move to a D6 11 like this. We're making that chord by holding down the B and high E string and then holding down the G string at fret 4 and playing it from the D like that. We'll play the intro like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're using a down, down, up, down strumming pattern, which is going to give us the 3/4 time we need. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Now once you know the song, you can strum it any way that you like, but that'll work for people who are trying to learn it and learn how to keep the time. So that's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Next we'll go into the verses, and for the verses we'll play an E minor 7. We're playing that by holding down the A string at fret 2, the B string at fret 3, and the high E string at fret 3, strumming all the strings. The next chord we're going to play is a G suspended 2/F sharp. We'll get that chord by just taking the first finger up to the low E string at fret 2, like that. So we'll start, and we'll just bump that chord to go to a G chord. So that's basically that's just the lead-in chord to get us to our G. After that we'll go to D, a G/B, and we're playing that by putting a finger on the A string at fret 2 and holding down the B and high E string at fret 3. So that's, and then we'll go to an A chord, and that's our conventional A, holding down the D, G, and B strings at fret 2. So we'll play the verses this way, starting with an E minor 7. Now sometimes during the verses, she pushes that G suspended 2/F sharp here with that F sharp note at fret 2, it comes in early, so it's like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So it's just before 3, and an up strum gives it some emphasis. And follow with Here's what we'll play for the choruses. We'll go from the D to the D6 11 like this. Then we'll go to F sharp minor like this. Now I'm forming that F sharp minor 7 by holding down the E string at fret 2 and the rest of the strings from the D string down at fret 2. You can do it that way, or you can do it this way, like holding down an A and then put your finger up here like that on the fret 2 of that low E string. And that's an F sharp minor 7. You can also do it this way, which I think is the hard way. With that one, we're barring fret 2 and holding down the A string at fret 4. And that's also F sharp minor 7. But here's the entire thing. F sharp, G to C at 9, D, G/B to A. We'll do that again. D, A, then back to our intro. Now let's play through all the parts that we'll need for the song. Well, alright my friends, that's my tutorial for Angel by Sarah McLachlan. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.